Hello, and welcome back to my channel. It's been almost 6 months since I have made a video. I want to welcome you back. First of all, I want to introduce myself. My name is Jonna, or I go by Jay, and my logo or my website is the jjcollection.com, and that just more or less shows you what photography that I'm doing. I really want to welcome you back to my channel. I am been under a lot of changes, a lot of improvements, a lot of tackling some fears that I have been fearing, and experiencing being a wife of a husband who has just been deployed overseas. It's been a month since he's been gone. It's been a difficult month. Him being gone, I'm going to be honest, and in the next 5 months I have made a goal for myself to hopefully make a video, like a diary, to show or for Ray to see, even so, what's been going on as me experiencing this. He's done it twice before. He's done about 2 years overseas, but this is my first, so it's a learning experience. I'm going to cover with you my 200-day challenge that I've been going through. It ends about the mid part of March, about the time that Ray will be returning. I have a goal of losing some unwanted weight. For the fact of the injury that I have, I made a self-conscious to lose that, to help me with the pain and things like that. I'm going to share with you like my eating has totally changed. It's really hard when you crave something, what you can substitute it with, so I'll make different videos on that, what I substitute my sugars or my salts or a soda. There's times that I'm craving a soda, but then I gotta knock and say, no, you drink your water, or you drink your sugar-free tea, you know, things like that. Since August, I've only lost 8 pounds, but I'm gonna tell you, those 8 pounds have been tough to maintain, and I'm bringing down numbers. That's the one reason why I'm doing this, is because of the pain, and also during the situation of the accident, I had developed fatty liver disease, non-alcoholic fatty liver disease. And my numbers are coming down. I'm so excited. The last test that I got, there'll be another one at the beginning of December. I'm hoping it will even be better what it is now, what I just did about 2 weeks ago. So what I got 2 weeks ago, my numbers are great. So I'm cholesterol, and that's the reason why I have to really cut back on things. I'll be talking. That was Ava. I'll be sharing with you Ava. And I'll be sharing with you the furry dozen, the furry babies. Ray and I, our real children have grown up. We don't have any children with us, so we more or less replace each of the child with an animal. So we have 4 cats and 8 dogs, and there'll be, if you follow me on Facebook or on Instagram, you will see how these people, they have their own Instagram, just to let you know. I mean, it's just, yeah, they got more followers than I do. They're pretty hip, but you know, I'm almost 50. I'm getting a lot of glitter, so that's also that I'm going to be covering, trying to age gracefully, you know. Those are things, how your body's changing, how my body's changing, and what I have done or what I am doing to hopefully make the transition much smoother for me. So yeah, it's going to be fun times, and it's going to be like, what did she just buy? I love to go thrift shopping. I love to find a good deal. I will have to make a video of a camera that I just picked up, which is an antique vintage from a Goodwill for like $5, and it is like, wow. So I love finding the good deals. I don't like to spend a lot of money. I'm very thrifty. I'm very I like to recycle, very that kind of thing. So I want to welcome you, and I'm just like rambling, and I apologize. And I think this is my 4th or 5th take on this videoing today. It's just I haven't done it for so long, and I'm so nervous, and you probably can hear it or see it with me. I'm nervous, and I guess I just need to, it's like getting back on the bike again, and that's what's happening. So welcome back. If you want to see more or hear more, subscribe to the channel, share the video. Maybe you want to have a good laugh and share it on Facebook, or share it on, you know, somewhere. Do it. If you want to be notified when the next video comes up, there's a bell by the subscribe button. I can't remember where it's at. I think it's on this side. I think I'm probably totally backwards. And then I think I also will check to see if I have my links below of all the groups. I have many groups on Facebook, and one of them is dealing with Jay's Angel Wings. That is dealing with for men and women who are dealing with very different forms of abuse, and how to put your words out there, if that makes sense, is a safe place, and empowering you and validate that you are okay. I have another group that is called JJ's Creative Collections, and that's with crafts, and I love to crochet and knit, and of course I love my photography. There will be things in there about that one. The next one I have is going to be the Furry Dozen, of course, and then I have the cooking one, JJ's Cooking, that I love the variety of different cooking, how people post. You guys are more than welcome to post, you know, from desserts to dishes to drinks, and I try to throw in there, because I'm trying to change my eating, something like vegetarian, that kind of. So there's a whole variety of different things in there that will be custom, or not, it's not custom just to one individual. And then I have the Christmas Angel, which is my Christmas group, that deals with Christmas 365, and I'm just checking just to make sure. I'm trying to do this fast so it's not delaying my time. The Christmas Angel, JJ's Cooking, and also what we have is going to, the El Paso Best Kept Secret. My husband and I live here in El Paso, Texas. We're right on the border of Mexico with Juarez. And I like to share with you experiences that I'm experiencing here in El Paso. When I first moved here, the end of 2015, wow, time has flown. I need to make a new video on pros and cons of El Paso. I have a pro and con before coming, and then 6 months in I've made. I need to make a new one. And then after that, that's it. We covered the Creative Collections, the Christmas Angel, and Jay's Angel Wings. That is that's the baby. And I have a couple of wonderful individuals who help me monitor those different groups too. So people feel safe, they're not being bullied, and that's very, you know, if there's warning signs being also kind of situation. So welcome back. I love you guys, and I cannot stress enough, be good to yourself. Please be good to others, because we just don't know what part of the journey they're on in their life. See you soon. Bye. John and Jay.